The landscape of affiliate and online digital marketing is more dynamic than ever. With the internet's vast reach and endless possibilities, individuals can build thriving businesses from scratch by providing value and solving problems for their audience. Welcome to a new era of entrepreneurship. Affiliate marketing has evolved into a powerhouse in the digital marketing realm. Gone are the days of generic banner ads and spammy promotions. Today, successful affiliate marketing is built on trust, authenticity, and genuine recommendations. Businesses are focusing on building long-term relationships with their audience rather than quick, one-time transactions. Affiliates are leveraging various platforms such as social media, blogs, podcasts, and video content to connect with their target audience. Authenticity is key, and marketers are encouraged to share their personal experiences with the products or services they promote. This shift towards authenticity has created a more transparent and trustworthy affiliate marketing environment. The rise of online digital marketing has become an integral part of businesses' overall strategy. In an age of fast-paced innovation, a plethora of tools and platforms offer diverse opportunities for entrepreneurs to showcase their products and services. From social media advertising to search engine optimization, SEO, businesses can effectively reach their target audience. Content remains king in the online marketing realm. High quality and valuable content not only attracts potential customers but also positions businesses as industry authorities. With the rise of video content, live streaming, and interactive experiences, entrepreneurs have more creative avenues to engage their audience and differentiate themselves in the market. The beauty of starting a business from nothing from the digital landscape is that anyone with passion, determination, and willingness to learn can start a business with virtually no experience. So we are quickly going to look at a quick step-by-step blueprint on how to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. The first thing to do is identify your niche. Choose a niche that aligns with your skills, interests, and market demand. This could be anything from fitness and wellness to tech reviews or personal finance. You can identify a niche from pretty much any idea that you can think of. As long as there's an interest in your idea, you will find an audience. Building your online presence. Create a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms relevant to your niche. Consistent branding across all channels helps to build credibility. Utilize email to develop further outreach with loyal followers. Content is key. Develop high quality, valuable content that addresses the needs and concerns of your target audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or a combination, focus on providing solutions to problems. Engage with your audience. Actively engage with your audience on social media and respond to comments and messages. Building a community around your brand fosters trust and loyalty. Research affiliate programs relatable to your niche. Identify reputable affiliate programs within your niche. Choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and that would benefit your audience and that you would use yourself. Create authentic content. When promoting affiliate products, create authentic and transparent content that will appeal to your audience. Share your personal experiences and highlight the value of the product or service that it brings. Optimize for SEO. Implement basic SEO strategies to make your content more discoverable. This includes using relevant keywords, creating compelling meta descriptions, and optimizing images. Be willing to invest in learning. The digital landscape is ever changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies through online courses, webinars, industry publications, articles. Never stop learning and investing in yourself. In the digital age of affiliate marketing, the opportunities for starting business from nothing are boundless. By providing genuine value, solving problems, and building authentic connections, aspiring entrepreneurs can navigate the affiliate and online marketing landscape to create successful and sustainable businesses. Embrace this journey, stay adaptable, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams unfold in the vast world of the internet and online marketing. If you found this video to be useful and you want to stay updated with the latest marketing trends and ideas, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and also check out the playlist here on screen that will provide you with more insights and valuable content to help you on your affiliate marketing journey.